there, bunny rabbits. Oh, beautiful day for it. Geese.
Are you watching them, Tom? He's a bit tired though.
He's very tired, isn't he? Bless him. Oh, cool, let's go have a look. I'm always interested in new happenings at Wicksteed Park. Oh look, oh wow. Gert. Oh, Gert.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Hello. At my own risk, can I pet?
Of course you can.
Yeah. Hello, buddy. Hello. I know you may bite. Oh, it's lovely. Hello.
It's just for the little ones, silly.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Well, you put your fingers through the. Can you come up? Oh, let's have a look at these ears. Oh, look. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. See? Oh no, you're not that bad. Awesome.
Can Tommy see him?
I think we need to get him out. So, tell you what, Leanne, I'll let you take control of the camera and I'll get him.
And there's some down there. And there's one poking his head out. And there's a little one down there. Yeah. Tommy, are you gonna have a look? Yeah. Oh, look, there's one here. Look, there's one just here.
Look, what have we got, Tom? Can I have that? What we got? What's he doing? He's giggling. Oh, look, wait, take that then. You must. Look at this one. He's fluffing about.
That one looked like it's got an itch or something.
Tommy's laughing.
You find that funny? Yeah. I can't get right over that.
What's he doing, Tommy?
What's he doing?
Tommy Cam. All right, should we move on? 'Cause I can head that. You trying to grab the camera? You can't do that. Oh. Oh look. Oh look, it's ducks. What do you reckon, Tom? Duckies.
Can we just take just a photo?
Yeah, you can do. Yeah, you take.
I'll send them over to you.
Yeah, you take photos all you like, darling. I've got him. Oh look, there's hot little bunny rabbits. Oh, the killer white rabbit. Get the holy hand grenade. Yeah. Ooh, look at the dribble. My son don't dribble. He spits. Yeah. Not sure. Right. Okay. Moving on. Oh, look at the giant rabbit. Look at the rabbit. Oh, look at that. Yeah, no, he's huge, isn't he?
Oh, there's two.
Is it? Is it two?
Yep. Maybe a male and a female.
Oh, wow. It's a bit hot for him, isn't it? What do you reckon then, Thomas? He's happy. Oh, look, guinea pigs. Oh, look. Oh, wow. What do you reckon, eh? And there's a chicken there as well. He's not bothered, really.
What's that? What's that?
Are they easy to look at? Yeah, they are. So you can get, say, like two.
So they're all males because they do breed like rabbits. Anyway, look, we've got pig. Pig, Tommy, pig. Look, piggies. Oh, that's pretty cool, but they're really hot. That's a shame. Yeah, that's it. Please wash your hands.
Rats.
Oh, got rats.
Say rats now.
Rats. Oh yeah, look, little rats.
Oh, they may be all.
Oh, okay. That's awesome, isn't it?
Tommy's trying to touch the
Yeah.
Dumbo rats.
Oh, Dumbo rats. Fun facts, Dumbos are known for being calm, gentle and very affectionate. Dumbo rats are a type of fancy rat known for their big round ears. These rats love playtime, love chewing on wood blocks and other toys, which keeps them active and healthy. Awesome, I like them. Look at them running about, having fun.
Babe, you forgot the pig facts.
Oh, well, no, I see the piggies. The what? Oh, pig facts. Ah, of course. Pigs are extremely sociable animals and love close contact and lying down together. Pigs are very clean. Even newborn piglets will leave the nest to go on the toilet within hours of birth. Pigs are very peaceful animals, rarely showing aggression. Pigs have an excellent sense of smell. Yeah, looking for truffles. Right, let's get this buggy and we'll check out the outside. Awesome. Oh, Gert, you like the goats, didn't you? Yeah. You like the goats, didn't you? Look at the goats. See, it's goats, Tom. He likes the goats. Daddy likes the goats too. Oh, what do you reckon? We need to get you a goat.
A few moments later.
Let's have a look out here. Oh, that's a giant. Hello. What's that like? No, all right, okay, no, not. Hello, Delilah. Hello, sweetheart. How you doing? All right? He's chewing on his dummy. Bless him.
That one keeps going everywhere. I don't know why.
Oh, that one there.
Yeah, it was along the wall in there earlier.
Free roam, free range. Hello, sweetie. Hello. Oh, no, you didn't like that. Get off me. Went straight to her fella. He touched me. Oh, ferrets. Oh, I like ferrets. Oh, look. Oh, hi, guys. Oh. They're sleeping in there in the basket.
Yeah, it says they bite.
Yeah, they do. Oh, look, there's another one in here. Hi, mate. How you doing, bud?
Did I get it?
I think you did. Yeah, you got him. Oh. So we've got barn owls. Oh, babe, look at that up in the back corner there. Look. Isn't that awesome? Barn owls. Here we go. Instead of hooting, barn owls make harsh, eerie screeches. They also make a loud, long hiss if they sense a predator or threat is near. Barn owls have incredibly soft feathers on the edges of their wings that allow them to flap and glide through without making a sound. Male barn owls impress females with flight displays. In one display, they hover in front of the female with their feet dangling in what's called a moth flight. Barn owls really do like barns. Barns are great protection from the weather and predators. The farmland also offers a main food source for the owls and rodents. Oh, for the owls with rodents. Cool. Well, what do you reckon then? Did you like that, Tom? Yeah, he's happy. Outdoor pig pen. And there's little killer white rabbits. Oh, yeah. Yeah, get the holy hand grenade. Well, that's pretty awesome, isn't it? I like that. That's a nice little touch to the day. Right. But what I would like to do, though, is I'd like to go down and have a look at the bottom lake, because there's supposed to be a few more rides that are supposed to be implemented this year. This year the rowing boats are back open. This is what I wanted to see, because this is what I used to come to Wicksteed Park for most when in my younger days. So I used to get the train over to Kettering when I was younger and walk here and just get one ticket just to row out on the boats. So yeah, it's quite nice to see that it's actually open again and in use. Beautiful. Now inside the little hut I did actually see a little sign saying ferry not running today. So I did pop the question, what about our ferry? Are we going to have our ferry back here at Wicksteed Park? I mean, I've got a photo of it and it was magnificent, but it has been scrapped. So talking with a couple of others, they don't believe that our ferry is coming back unless there is somebody out there that has one of these type of ferries or even something similar in their garden or lying about. Now, I've got quite a few train enthusiasts on my group, and I'm sure there's train restorers out there that there is also boat restorers. So if there is a big one and you'd like to donate it to Wicksteed Park, I'm pretty sure they'll be most appreciative. It'd be lovely to see the big paddle boat back out here, or even something similar. Awesome. Yeah, that's why I came down. Right, so we're going to go have a little picnic. Little Tommy's running about. Actually, let's go say hello a sec. You got some? Hey, Tommy! How we doing, buddy? Yeah.
No, that's when he found the feather.
Oh, you found a feather? Oh.
It's there.
Right, okay. And now he's got a variegated leaf. What do you reckon?
Yeah, look at him ripping it apart.
Can we take this out? Oh, look at the dribble come out of that. Hello, buddy. Who's the chubby chubs? Who's the chubby one?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream.
Yep, more inch. Look at this. Look at the bulge you got there, buddy.
We're going to change him.
Yeah, I think what we'll do is we'll change him and then we'll go have a look at the sand pit, actually.
Yeah.
Do you want to go play in some sand, Tom? Well, where's sand, he says. Tommy's first time seeing sand. What do you reckon, buddy? What do you reckon? He's not sure. He's like, what is this monstrosity? It's getting everywhere. In my toes. Look, let's cover your foot. Cover your foot. Cover your foot. Cover your foot. Look at that. He's very tired, isn't he? Bless him.
Good job, really, otherwise he'd be all the way down there.
Yeah, he would be. What do you reckon, Thomas? Yeah? Is that alright? You want this one? Should we do this one? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It's alright, add it in my mouth. There you are. He's tired. Oh dear, I don't even know if we're going to get time to see the play pit. Anyway, what do you reckon? Do you like that? All of your toesies! Is it? Oh, it's nice and early then. Oh, yeah, look at this. Where's Tommy's feet gone? He's really not sure. Oh, he is tired. He's too pooped to play. Aww. Oh, bless him, he's tired. So I think we need to actually get home and get sorted. But at least we now know what is new at Wicksteed Park. So when it comes around to doing our big yearly video, which we'll be doing very soon, we know exactly what to go for. And you guys know exactly what's new here too. So I love that. I have also just done a big walk, walking from Wellingborough into the back of Wicksteed Park here at Kettering. So I'll link that video just at the end of this video. When the end screen comes up, just click the little square bit and it'll take you straight to it. I've also done some fungus hunting around here last year and that was epic. And Tommy's also had his first ever train ride there as well. So yeah, we'll link all that in and I hope you all have a beautiful one. Leanne, come out on a visit. See you later, baby girl.
Bye everyone.
Bye, Tom. Yeah, what you said. Peace, love and light. Arr, 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 arr.